Yes?
Mommy.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, the sand. Where's the water? Jaden's in the castle right now? Mommy and Daddy built you this little castle right here?
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy. Mommy.
Huh? You calling Daddy? Daddy's getting more water. Oh, you're destroying your wall.
Look here at the seashells. Are you? You there at the seashells? No. Oh.
Jaden. There's Daddy. You're destroying the wall. The water's gonna get out. Last time, Jaden. Look at all that water Jaden's holding inside. Daddy said, there's your pot. Today, Jaden's at Santa Monica Beach. You see? The helicopter. Drip, drip. Where's the helicopter, Jaden? Where's the helicopter? You almost ready, honey?
Whenever you guys are.
Probably another like 15-20 minutes. Let Jaden get his fun on. There's the water.
Did Jaden get his pond on?
Yeah. Oh, you're destroying the wall. Daddy broke your shovel? Oh no.
Who broke your shovel, Jaden?
Oh no. Hey,
Yeah.
it's muddy. Here, you can put that
Mommy.
away.
Dad.
Oh, you want more? Daddy? He kept saying Daddy right now. Dad.
Yeah, record it.
Dad.
More water. You know how far that is?
Dad. Dad.
You're demanding. Daddy's getting more water for you.
Dad.
Where?
Dad.
Where? It's where?
Dad. Dad.
You want some
Mom.
sun? You want some sun? That's some sun. Grandma's missing out today. There we go. Uh-oh, careful. Jan, get the cup. Where's the cup? Over there? Hey, what are you looking for? Where are you going? You're looking for Daddy? Where are you going? There's Daddy right there. Look at the water. Jaden, Daddy has water. Let's go. Behind the umbrella. Go. Come on, hurry up, let's go. Don't pour it yet. Daddy's behind the umbrella.
You ready?
Whoa, look what Daddy did. Oh, Jaden's digging himself in there. Is that fun for Jaden? Ow, scream. Jaden, scream. Whoa. Almost no more water. Uh-oh. The water is sinking under the sand, into the sand. What is that? What is it? It's a helicopter? Okay, no more. Give him the bucket. Are you going to take it to the water and get your own water? You going to pour more? No more water.
He's like,
Yeah.
please, whatever's left.
Drip, 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 drip. Yeah, rinse that thing, huh?
I brought a bag.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Rinse it at home.
I don't know where the bag's at, but
The water piece is all salty.
The what?
The sand. It's sandy. The water piece, the mouthpiece, the water. Jaden, no more. Are you almost ready, boo boo? Mommy and Daddy's gonna leave. Bye bye, La. Oh, helicopter. You got everything packed, honey? Are you tired yet? Baby, you didn't bring that knife, huh? Should have at least brought formula. You ready to go, Jaden? Where are you going? Hello. Where are you going? Helicopter, Jaden. See, it's up there. Where's Jaden going? Let's go this way. Let's go over here. Let's go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go.